The Nothing Phone 3A is a budget phone that feels like an expensive flagship phone, but costs much less. It starts at $379, and there's also a 3A Pro model for $459, which has a better camera. The first thing you'll notice is its unique design. Nothing phones always look different from other phones, and this one is no exception. The 3A comes in a cool blue color, while the 3A Pro is a simple black and white version with a bigger camera bump. Some people might not like the way the cameras look, but it actually makes the phone easier to hold. Now, let's take a look at the complete specifications of these phones. Both models have the same display, a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen. They run on the Snapdragon 7 Gen processor and come with a 5000 mAh battery with 50-watt fast charging support. The base models start with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. When it comes to the cameras, there are some differences. The Nothing Phone 3A has a 32-megapixel front camera, while the 3A Pro has a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. On the back, both models come with 3 cameras, a wide-angle camera, an 8-megapixel camera, 2 50-megapixel cameras. One of the 50-megapixel cameras is the main camera, while the other is a telephoto lens. The Pro model also has a periscope lens that allows optical zoom up to 3x. For a budget phone, it feels premium. The back is now made of glass instead of plastic, and it has better water resistance, rated IP64. The screen is big, 6.77 inches, bright and smooth, just like high-end phones. The fingerprint scanner under the screen is a bit slow, but overall, the experience is great for the price. Performance is also impressive. It has a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chip with 12 GB of RAM. While it's not the most powerful chip, Nothing's software makes the phone feel smooth and fast. It's not built for heavy gaming, but for everyday use, it performs really well. Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, is well optimized. Animations and gestures feel smooth, and Nothing promises 6 years of software updates. You can even customize the lock screen, just like on iPhones. Unlike other phone brands, Nothing isn't focusing much on AI features. There are no AI-generated images, AI writing tools, or object removal in photos. However, they did add an AI button on the side of the phone. Pressing this button opens a special space where you can save screenshots, record voice notes, and set reminders. The phone can even transcribe your voice notes and create reminders automatically. It's a useful idea, but since it only works on this phone, not on a computer or other devices, not everyone will rely on it. Also, the button is easy to press by accident. Both the 3A and 3A Pro have a 5000 mAh battery with great battery life. They charge at 50 watts, going from 0 to 100% in about an hour, but they don't support wireless charging. The biggest difference between the two models is the camera. The 3A Pro has a better camera, so if you care about taking great photos, you should get that one. If not, the regular 3A is good enough. Overall, the Nothing Phone 3A is a stylish and fast budget phone with a few minor trade-offs.